Jewellery hand wash consists of a submersible pump, filtering units using the thread-type filter cartridges and multiple settling tanks inside hand wash system. These internal settling tanks allows operators to monitor the residue of precious metal from the drain water of various stages of jewelry manufacture process. A bigger percentage of the remnants of precious metal from the discharge will get collected in the settling tanks, and even the smallest percentage of minor-sized pieces gets collected in the filter cartridges. Thus, a great amount of precious metal loss is saved here. K-JHIL specializes in offering a premium quality jewelry hand wash. This product is designed and manufactured using optimum quality raw material with latest technologies. This product goes under various quality check tests on various parameters in order to deliver their flawless range to the customers. Features fully PP body wash basin water pump water level controlling pumping unit available in 1, 2, 3 tap specifications model. To know more about this product or make purchase, please contact us today. Thanks for watching us.